Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Ki nonghikai hapoh ka shatri ke Meghalaya Government Lower Primary Contractual Teachers Association kila khot ha ke sorkar jylla mynne ke tarik Risaw hajar hapoh banya keren halor kaei kaba ke sorkar kala ban iarap ya kitei ki nonghikai ki bala pynsngew Shankar ya ki jingdawa ki jong yala ke hok. Hadien katei ke jingialang Presiden ke Synjuk ki nonghikai Bah Birbor Riangtem iathuh bagi bor sorkar kila pentip ba on amla shu ban thongkam biang ki nonghikai kumba kila dawa de halor kani kapang ba kum unong yalam ke Synjuk harengkat bat ke Jingshah baro ki khot Shankar rai ban Pynlong da ke Jingshah Thngan Haduh ban dayap na du menta ke sngi thok ding kata ke tarik Risaw hajar hapoh.
Yes, today I call a meeting of the person who are striking for the last many days to clarify the position of the government based on all the legality within the parameter of the law. Because this is not a new issue. The contractual teachers have met me several times since 2018, and at that time I make ample clear that that is a reality. So kindly prepare for that, because it is a reality now, because section 23 of RTER has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed, but during this period of time, 2012, 13, 14, since many of the teachers, in-service teachers, many have not acquired the minimum qualification. So the government, for those who have not acquired the minimum qualification of 45% for student tribe, we have given a chance to appear again and again and again the embossed exam, so that they could attain the minimum mark of 45%. Number two, and that also we extend 2-3 times. Not only one, not only twice, 3, 4 times, 5 times we have extended. Number two, since DLED also is one of the criteria for the appointment of the teachers, so the government of Meghalaya tie up with NIOS, so that all the in-service teachers could complete their DLED through NIOS, and that also we extend time and again. And the last batch, which because the NCTE, the NIOS have given only few times for them to complete the 45%, but many, I should not tell about many, some, they have passed the DLED, but they could not pass the 45% in time. That also the matter, after they attain, the NIOS have conveyed that they will be done. So in 2018, when they meet me, they told, sir, because many of us will be on the wrong side of age, because we are over age. I told, don't worry, for age, the government will do something to enhance the age. And education department is the first department who enhanced the age from 32 to 37 years for the benefit of the contractual teachers who take time to meet the regulatory authority. After that, then the government conducted the TET, and regular appointment have also been met in all the district of the state except the Dadingiri subdivision. Question asked, why Dadingiri? Dadingiri, it happened like this because there is a leakage of question paper when the test was conducted all over the state. So, and when we found that the leakage is confined only to the Dadingiri subdivision, so the test for all the subdivision goes as usual, and result could be declared. And then the Dadingiri subdivision is held afterwards, and then after the conduct of MTET in the Dadingiri, we were supposed to issue advertisement. Then come the MDC election. Which model could of conduct happen? Then after preparation again to conduct the recruitment process in the Dadingiri, then by-election come. And finally, the government have advertised the post in Dadingiri. Subsequently, the judgment of Honorable High Court come to implement the roster system because we could not conduct the exam even once. That's why those teachers they continue on the contractual basis. And in 2020, the Honorable High Court also has passed the judgment that the contractual teachers have no right for regularized session. So I have explained to them that this is the constraint. Regularized session is out of question. But the government will, because 3-4 months back, the contractual teachers, many of them have passed their MTET, but they are again on the wrong side of age. So today I convey to them what I can do, what the government can do is that a one-time condonation of age could be given so that they could appear for the recruitment process. So this is the maximum thing as of now, which we as the government will do. So, and regularization is out of question.
Hadien bangila lagi room bani. Ejection start yang sen nilai iakren cibun kaei tambah kaba haduh hi nak liang jong sorkar kamla banai jaga jingdawa jongi kata
Kiang umno.
kamla ban ai jaga jingdawa ka jongi
Kadau halor gani kan baju
dau
lah.
kiba pun kiba kadon ka jing kabala kadau pe target pe jengi omba dai namar ka jingshah kam dai jing bakla jongi ngalaong syai baka norms kawan arjar sipau yangi lapan le emtat hadin khandai snem kumta ka age yangi kamlong shu bendang yele ki kino ki exam ten karpat bakani kade ki kamde ki jing bakla jongi kade ki jing bakla jong ka sarkar te watla ka taru yang syai ba nakaliang jongi sarkar nyemla iarap
Kaei pak rai ke bapin.
rai jongi ka bakhaduh kalong ba banle cheying ru kam don jiman ta yangi ya shong ang ti watla ringi lek na mangasla ba tayo besiman ma